Hello friends, welcome to here. This is Amit Kumar. I am faculty of geography, and today we are going to start from the physical geography, because physical geography is a very important for whole geography. If you want to understand the exactly what is the geography, so you should study first of all physical geography, because physical geography is the heart of the geography. Okay, so we will start from the beginning of the geography, because without the basic points we can't understand properly geography. So let's start with the fundamental of the geography. Okay, so fundamental of the geography. In the fundamental of the geography, we will cover 4 topics. First one is latitude, and second longitude, and third one is reasons for season, and fourth one is international dateline. Okay, dateline. But we will start from latitude, and today we will study only about the latitudes, because latitudes whole geography, whole earth is depend upon the latitudes from the equator to pole. So you know very well. So let's start with latitude. What is latitude? And so when you read the book, and when you start your study, so that time you see in the book picture like this, so that is called latitude. Okay, but we don't try to understand why is looking like this, and what is reason behind it. Only which is mentioned in the book, that we will read, and we will learn that. So first of all, you have to understand, try to understand this. This is the when you see the book, only you will read and you study in the books. That is the latitude. Latitude is an angular distance of a place from the center of the earth. That is latitude. Okay, only this point has been given in your book. But first of all, you have to understand latitudes. If you want to understand exactly what is latitude, so first of all we have to see how is this. So we will see, and we will imagine. So latitudes a latitude is a imaginary lines. Okay, imaginary horizontal, also horizontal lines on the earth. Okay, one point has been cleared, and second point, what could be? Second point could be all latitudes are parallels each other. So latitudes are parallel. Latitudes are parallel, but the definition is given in a book, latitude is an angular distance of a place from the equator, from the center of the earth. If the latitudes are parallel, so how you can say these latitudes can make an angle? Angles, how can you draw like an angle? No, it is not possible. But definition is saying latitude is an angular distance. Latitude is an angular distance. If it is an angular distance, that means angular distance, it means should be angular. But if lines of latitudes are parallel, so how it is possible? I think you did not think till now how it is possible. Only you read and you studied about it, but you didn't think behind the reason how we can say it is an angular distance. Okay, but I will let you know each and every point how we can say this is an angular distance of a place from the equator. Okay, when you this is the earth and equator 0 degree and 23.5 degree, Tropic of Cancer and 23.5 degree, Tropic of Capricorn and 66.5 degree is called Antarctic Circle. And 66.5 degree is called Arctic Circle. Okay, and 90 degree is called Northern Pole, and 90 degree in southern side, that is called Southern Pole. Okay, so but this part is Earth's surface, and this part is interior of the earth, interior of the earth. So now you will see like this. Now you can see angular distance of a place from the equator or center of the earth, but from the interior of the earth, not on the surface, not on the surface. So I hope you are getting my point. So now you can say, so latitudes are concentric circle, because latitudes come from the center of the earth. Now you can write the definition like latitude. Exactly, the definition is now latitude is an angular distance of a place from center of the earth, center of the earth. Okay. So now exactly what is latitude? So I think you got it, okay, but it is not enough for the UPSC. So now let's start other things about the latitudes. Okay. So my dear friend, this is the earth and this is the equator 0 degree and 23rd and half degree is Tropic of Cancer and 66 and half degree is Arctic Circle and Cancer, Tropic of Cancer, 23 and half degree in southern side, northern side, northern and southern. So that is called Tropic of Capricorn, and 66 and half in southern, that is called Antarctic Circle, and 90 degree north, that is northern pole, and 90 degree in south, that is called southern pole. Okay. And from the equator to 90 degree in northern pole, that is called northern hemisphere, and from equator to southern pole, that is called southern hemisphere. Okay. And this area is called tropical zone, and same tropical zone, and this is temperate zone and polar zone. Okay. Temperate zone and polar zone. Now now you have to see how is looking is good, but you have to understand the sun rays lie directly on the equator and tropical zone maximum. So and when you go in the polar region side of the polar, that you will see the sun rays are tilted. So now you can say the sun rays directly lies on the equator. So equator part, surface of the equator will be warm. If surface or any part going to warming, so intense low pressure automatically created. If intense low pressure will create, so air is warm, so surface is warm, so air move upward, but there is a water also, in the equator region, you will see in the atlas, so that you will find that there are oceans. So oceans are here, so water body is here, so air will move upward with moisture. Here move with moisture, and after that you will see the cloud. Which kind of cloud will be here? Cumulonimbus cloud. It is also called lower cloud, because its height is 2000 meter. Okay, 2000 meter. And after that condensation and then precipitation or rainfall. But this action will be every day. Rainfall will be every day throughout the year, the same season throughout the year. The same season will be throughout the year. So you can say, so vegetation of the equatorial region will be evergreen because of daily rainfall in the evening. From 0 to 10 degree is called equatorial region. Okay, and this region, equatorial region and tropical zone, are heat surplus region because direct rays cause direct rays, sun rays. So vegetation will be evergreen, and climate hot and wet. Hot because of sun rays, wet because of rain. So वुड कैसी होगी? सो आपको यहाँ पर यू विल से सॉफ्ट वुड. Why? Because there is a wet. But one more question will arise when we will study about the tropical zone. Both are heat surplus region, but UPSC asked in the UPSC exams, in prelims exam, maximum times one question is tropical zone is hotter than equatorial region. Region A. Equatorial region is hotter than tropical zone. statement 1 and second statement, what would be right? You have to tell. But I think you will say, you will answer the second will be right or first. You can say both, okay? But exactly what is right? Right is tropical zone is hotter than equator, but how? How? So now, because of आप एक कोई चीज़ लो, आप दो चीज़ें लो, एक आप जब टी बनाते हो उस टाइम पर आपके पास गैस में दोनों गैस जलाते हो, दोनों तरफ रखते हो, एक में एक पॉट पर बार बार वाटर डालते हैं और निकाल देते हैं, हीट दोनों में सेम, एक में थोड़ा कम भी है, एक गैस थोड़ा सा कम है, एक ज़्यादा स्पीड से जल रही है, बर्न हो रही है, और एक में हम बार बार वाटर डाल रहे हैं और निकाल रहे हैं, वाटर डाल रहे हैं निकाल रहे हैं, एक पॉट लगातार रखा हुआ है, उसमें वाटर नहीं जा रहा. सो आफ्टर 1 minute or 2 minutes यू विल फील, जिसमें बर्निंग तो तेज़ थी, उसकी फायर तेज़ था, आग ज़्यादा तेज़ थी, बट वो उतना गर्म नहीं हुआ जितना कि एक छोटी सी आग में गर्म हो रहा था. एक आग थोड़ी जल रही थी, बट वो उसमें वाटर नहीं बार बार जा रहा था. तो इसमें क्या है कि यहाँ पर डेली रेनफॉल, बिकॉज ऑफ डेली रेनफॉल ये क्या होगा, इसका जो रीज़न है ये थोड़ी देर के लिए एक नॉर्मल भी होगा, थोड़ा सा हॉट कम हो जाएगा बिकॉज ऑफ रेन. आप बहुत देखो कि दिन में आप कभी इन द समर सीजन, इन द रेनी सीजन, कि इन द फर्स्ट हाफ ऑफ द डे you will see it's a hot day, but after rain you will feel like a cool, है ना, normal. So same is here. तो यहाँ पर क्या होता है, in this area there is no rain, it's a minimum or you can say, but here is a daily rainfall, so that's why it will be not hotter. So tropical zone is hotter than equatorial, okay. And now we will move. So tropical, temperate zone and polar zone, both are very important. So both are, because both reasons are heat deficit region, because of sun rays are tilted here, so heat deficit region. But both are very important for the Earth's atmosphere, because of temperate zone and polar zone, both are responsible for pressure system and planetary wind system. Pressure system and planetary wind system, because planetary wind system also work behind the ocean currents, because ocean currents flow in the same direction throughout the year, and planetary wind also blow in the same direction throughout the year. And planetary wind, so both are responsible for the planetary wind and pressure system and planetary wind system. So both are responsible. So now you can write, I think you got it, each and every point, how latitude is important in the geography. Because latitude, when you go to polar zone, that you feel cool, that region is very cool, and in the equator region, that region is very warm. So which ocean current come from the polar to equator region? That would be cold current, and which ocean current from equator to pole, that would be warm current. Okay, and same thing, it is also responsible for the cyclone, tornado, and winds, local winds, and etc. So latitude is important, but I have lots of topics in the physical geography. So one by one we will teach and we will study, and I will teach you. So I will clear each and every point. Okay, so thank you guys. We will meet very soon.